Hello students, this is Mrs. Tiekle and I'm going to show you how to log your service hours online. This afternoon you will receive an invitation to join SweatMonkey in your MCHS email inbox. Click on the Accept link and follow the instructions to set up an account. Once you create an account, you will be asked to activate it by returning to your email inbox and clicking another link. Log in as a student using your email address and password. At this point, you should be on the Moreau network. If you are not, on the left-hand side under My Network, select Moreau Catholic High School. Next, go to the top of your page and click on the tab that says Hour Tracking. In order to enter hours, you have to add a new job. Each service location should be considered an individual job. Once you enter a new job, you will be able to come back to this job to add additional hours at a later date. Select Add New Job on the left-hand side of your page. To enter your group code, scroll down to find the code that corresponds with your class. You will find the join code for your class. Then copy and paste it into the Enter Join Code box. Now scroll down and click Continue. You will now enter information for your job. First, enter your job title. If you do not have an official title, simply enter Volunteer. Then, name the organization or event where you did your hours. Finally, under Job Type, scroll down in the drop-down menu to Volunteer. Under Employer Contact Details, please enter the appropriate information. It is very important for us to have this information so we can follow up with your employer if necessary. Once you have entered your information, scroll down and enter Save This Job. Now that your job has been entered, you may start entering hours for your job. Using the calendar, select the week in which you did your service. If you did your service over a longer period of time, simply enter the data 1 week at a time. Enter all the times and hours worked during this week, and then calculate the total at the bottom of your screen. After you have calculated the total, select Save Hours. You will now be given the opportunity to re-enter hours if you missed anything. If not, scroll down and select Save and Submit Week. As you scroll down, you will be asked to enter your electronic signature. Fill out this information, then click Submit and Print. Your hours will be submitted online regardless of whether or not you actually print the document, so you can always cancel the print job if you do not want a hard copy. You have now entered your hours online. However, in order for your service to be considered official, you must type a reflection. To enter your reflection, you will use your Resume tab. If you go to the top of your screen in the upper right-hand corner, select My Resume. Once you are on your resume page, scroll down to the bottom and click Add New Section. You will title this Reflection. Now that you have created your reflection section, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Add Item. Give your reflection a title that corresponds to the service you just entered. Then enter your reflection in the description portion of the page. The last step is to scroll down to the bottom of your resume page and select Send Resume. You will enter the name and email address for your AP, then submit it. You have now completed your full entry for your service hours. If you need to enter any more service locations and hours, go back and follow the directions from the start. Sweatmonkey.org is not only a great resource for you to be able to enter your hours, but you can also find all kinds of opportunities for service. If you go to the Moreau Catholic High School Network and then click on the Opportunities tab, you will find an updated list of service organizations, contact information, and opportunities for service. Click on any one of these links, and the contact information for the person involved will be listed, as well as the time and availability of service.